Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Rejoice. Today we are going to make one very exciting recipe. What is that? Carrot rice. Welcome, let's cook together. Now I'm just going to wash my carrot to make sure that it's clean. Then we are going to grate it together, then blend, get the juice. That will be helpful to make a colorful carrot rice. And I want to tell you, this is a nice dish for kids, especially if your kid likes carrots. This will be a very nice recipe to offer. If you have understood one thing, I always like to make simple recipe, few ingredients, easy to make. And this is because the more simple your dish is, the more you're going to be ready to cook it. Yes, I don't put a lot of things, but you are free to add anything that you think you like, whether it's spices of your choice, you are free to do. So I'm going to grate my carrot. Some of it I blend to get a juice that will be, carrot water that we'll use to make our rice. But also some of the carrots, which is great, it will be used as decoration for our rice. I'm so excited. I hope you will enjoy this one. Going to blend to get carrot juice that will help us to cook our rice. Water is ready. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt and I'm also going to add the rice. We're going to make a very colored rice. If you like to put little amount of oil, you can put, but for myself, I'm not going to put oil. So if you like, you can have a little amount of oil in your rice. As you can see, our rice is doing well. not done at all, so we are going to cover it and let it cook for more time. And we really want it to cook with steam, so the temperature should be very minimal. Carrot rice is ready. So delicious, so colorful. You can enjoy it with any main dish of your choice. And as I said before, if you're a kid who like carrot, this will be a very nice meal for a kid. Thank you.